asked me to give her my old bike so she could ride it to work, which I did, and then I got scared.
Scared because large cities are not always a safe place to ride a bike.
You have to slalom your way between potholes the size of a truck.
And urban drivers are not always the most patient or diplomat citizens.
So I started asking myself, how could I make this better for her? And I made a list of all the basic specifications that a perfect urban mobility system would need to meet.
You need maneuverability, which means a short wheelbase and a steep head tube to reduce your turning radius so you can manage extremely tight corners. A large front wheel to overcome any obstacle the city puts in your way. A small motorized rear wheel to increase acceleration and climb steeper roads. You should be standing in an upright position. Because there is a lot going on in the city, you need to keep an eye on your surroundings and be able to get on and off very easily. It needs to be simple, easy to use, intuitive, and almost maintenance-free. After months of brainstorming, the basic idea of the Sneaky Bike was born. A vintage concept with a modern twist. A lot of sweat and tears later, with many talented people who joined the project.
We ended up with an amazing product.
And now with your help, the Sneaky Bike could be a game changer.